Tucker, you gonna get puppuccino? Puppuccino.
You're gonna get a cup of whipped cream. Look.
Tucker, you gonna order your puppuccino?
Yeah, I'm gonna order it myself.
You should tell him to bark. He's gonna go down.
Okay.
Is she ordering it?
Yeah, just order it.
Oh, can I get a puppuccino?
Okay.
That's
Anything else? Yeah, that's it.
it. That's it.
Just remind me about puppuccino at the window, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Puppuccino.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Puppuccino.
Got it?
Here's a little puppuccino. You can hand it to him? Oh my goodness, it's a puppuccino.
Got some on my finger.
Tucky likes a puppuccino.
Get all over Mom's car. Oh, I knew she was right. He would get a little beard. Oh, he had a little. It's all on his. Oh, it's all on his fur.
Where's your cup? Oh, it's in your cup holder.
It's fine.
It's all over his fur. Here, puppy.
He is in love.
You got a little beard.
He can't even reach down there.
Did you get puppuccino?
It's like a little cup.
Maddie, put it down lower so he doesn't have to He's like on his tippy.
After you can lick my finger, because you got
sorry.
some whipped cream on my finger.
Am I in the way of your work?
I have a little bit of whipped
He can't
cream on
even
my
reach
finger.
down there. Poor thing.
There you go.
He's shoving his whole nose in the
Well,
cup.
he's trying to get the whipped cream. Just give it to me, man. It's the key.
Oh, you got on my finger. You can lick my finger.
Girl, it's stuff down there.
Pull the cup away. Look at
He said, don't
Tucky!
put it away
It has
from
a little Starbucks label on it. I didn't know that. Oh, it's like a little mini
This is
cup.
what they put like the little shot pumps in.
I have no
And they,
idea.
Like,
I don't work at Starbucks, so I wouldn't know.
yeah, you do. Just get this, bro. Why don't you lick this stuff down there?
He's
There.
getting to it. Give him a second.
Mom, you might have to take a bath tonight.
Probably.
He's standing on my.
Hold the cup a little lower. Jeez. There you go. Tucker. Is it tasty? Did you get puppuccino?
Is that good?
Let me see. Tucker. Tucker.
Ah.
When he gets his upper lip stuck and his teeth are like hanging out. Aubrey, don't do that. Don't do that.
Get the rest of it. Get it, bud. Get it. Oh.
You're not in a hurry.
The fastest pup cup ever eaten.
Savory.
He can't eat.
Oh, like when he gets his teeth like that, it's so funny.
Hold this one. Thank you. You're almost there. Almost got it. Just turn that a little bit.
He shouldn't have any problem. He's got like the longest snout ever.
Yes, we did not just go to Starbucks for him.
Yay!
Here, Aubrey.
No, I'm trying to.
It's okay. He's all, I'll take it.
There's nothing left in there.
You gonna eat the cup?
No, you can't eat the cup.
Well, he's
Try
trying to
not
get the
water
rest.
bottles all the time, so that's okay.
Tucker.
No, we did not just go to Starbucks for him.
Tucker's first puppuccino.
Down. You. Okay, were you starving?
Well, we could have just.
It's gone. Tucker. Okay, it's gone.
I shut the door.
Yes.
Yes, we did.
We locked it.
Lock it.
We locked it.
One more? Puppuccino number 2.
Can I put on? Can I leave it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, one.
Whose whipped cream is better? Ours or Starbucks?
Rates.
It's clearly ours.
Okay, he took it off the ground. It has to be ours.
Tucker. Here, pick up the cup and shove his nose in it. Tucker, hey, let me see. Eat it. Eat it, It's on your nose, Judy. He's all, stop it, sissy.